This could be more trouble for Yeddyurappa. The Karnataka High Court has asked the Sessions Court to admit a petition of disproportionate assets filed by a private party against Yeddyurappa. Anusha is on the phone line with more details. Yes, Anusha.
Well, this particular case that we are speaking about, initial private petition, 4 petitions individually against former Chief Minister of Karnataka, B.S. Yeddyurappa, former Deputy Chief Minister, K.S. Yeddyurappa, B.S. Yeddyurappa's son, B.S. Raghavendra, as well as daughter Aruna. All of them are the people against whom these petitions were filed. Initially, these petitions were filed in the Shivamogga Sessions Court. However, after coming up for hearing, the court dismissed these petitions, stating that the case was filed against the prominent public figures who were in position when this particular petition was filed, and so special permission would be sought from the government to go ahead with investigations. However, after this particular petition was junked by the Sessions Court in Shivamogga and higher appeal was made at the Karnataka High Court, today at the hearing, the Karnataka High Court has noted that it was wrong on part of the Shivamogga Sessions Court to have discarded these petitions, and
yes,
that petitions will have to be admitted and action will have to be ordered into these petitions. Let's remember the case also involving disproportionate assets case against B.S. Yeddyurappa, his kin, as well as former Deputy Chief Minister K.S. Yeddyurappa. Also, a case of land grabbing or land extension illegally has also been mentioned in this particular petition. The advocate telling Times now that this is indeed a landmark judgment by the High Court, sending out a strong message, like in the case of J. Jayalalitha, that corruption will not be tolerated and is definitely a violation of human rights. These are the words that the advocate used.
Yes, Anusha, do stay on with us as we listen into reactions coming into this development.
All the 4 complaints were very strong and we had argued it very strongly, but the Shivamogga Court, Special Court, had dismissed all the 4 cases on a sole count that all of them were public officials and the previous sanction of the government was necessary to prosecute them. And they had in fact quoted S.D. Kumaraswamy's case and Ayyappa's case, which we had challenged it before the High Court of Karnataka. Today, the Honorable High Court of Karnataka has delivered a milestone judgment and has held that the notion of the Special Court was wrong. No sanction to prosecute these errant public officials for the offences of 420, cheating, forgery, etc. is necessary, because under no circumstances these offences would constitute a public function. And in case of PC Act, Prevention of Corruption Act, once a person, a government servant, demits his office, no more sanction is necessary to prosecute him.
Anusha continues to be with us. Anusha, of course, legally this is a setback for Yeddyurappa, but politically too there are implications of this case, because we're now looking at a political war breaking out, the Congress attacking the BJP over Yeddyurappa allegedly being involved in a corruption case.
Well, definitely, yes. Let's also remember that these were the cases, similar cases like this, especially land identification, caused almost...
I got full confidence about the judiciary. These are all allegations, false allegations. The land has been purchased 14-15 years back. What they are telling that the forest land is not correct. So it's already Forest Department, all others are given the report. So court will take its own decision. I have no objection about that. But I got 100% confidence we are going to get justice. ಈಗೇನು ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಿಂದ ತನಿಖೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು 56-58 ಎಕರೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲಾಖೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಜಮೀನು ಅಂತ ಸತ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ದೂರವಾದಂಥದ್ದು. ಇದು 14-15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡು, ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಂದ ನಾವು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯವರು, ನನಗೇನು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯವರು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಮತ್ತು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಇಲಾಖೆಯವರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಅರಣ್ಯ ಇಲಾಖೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ